Minnesota here with my good buddy Oregon. Oregon! We haven't seen each other forever. It's great. We're going to do a Minnesota and Oregon series video. Yes, that's awesome. Seems like we've been on vacation forever. Oh, yeah. Well, welcome, everybody. And we're going to do, you know what today is? No, what? June 14th? Duh. Of course it's June 14th. I'll give you a hint. We're in New York City by the Statue of Liberty, which is very patriotic. Independence Day? I know. That's not till July 4th. Memorial Day? Oh. Oregon, really? You don't remember we just had Memorial Day? Yeah, I know. I wish we had it again. Yeah. It's Flag Day. Oh, Flag Day. All right. Happy Flag Day, everybody. Yes, happy Flag Day. Hey, you know what else it is? It's somebody's birthday today. Yours? I know. It's a former president. Abraham Lincoln? No, this is in February. Don't you remember we celebrated that earlier? Barack Obama? No, not Barack Obama. I don't know. There's a lot of presidents. There's like 46 of them now, so I can't remember them all. Oh, yeah, well, it's our former president, Donald Trump's birthday today. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Oh, yeah. So it's his birthday. His birthday's on Flag Day. How awesome is that? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey, do you think for Flag Day that we might be able to get an explosion going here in New York City? I don't know, but we could try. Look, it's Alabama. Hey, y'all. What y'all doing here? I haven't talked to you forever. Hey, y'all. What y'all doing here? I haven't talked to you forever. Oh, yeah, it's like a deja vu there.
North Dakota. How you doing?
Hey, North Dakota, I'm used to seeing your friends sitting there beside me. Hey, look, and they're good buddy Michigan.
Hey, everybody. Please call me Peninsula.
Oh, yeah. That's kind of like penicillin. Peninsula. Huh? Oh, yeah, that was funny. Oh, yeah.
I don't know about that. Did you see that bird on me? I think I need some penicillin.
You had 2 birds on you.
Oh, yuck. I hope they don't drop anything on me. Oh, yeah, look at it's our good buddy Ohio going to join us.
Go, Ohio. Hi, everybody. It's been a long time.
Michigan has 2 birds on him again.
Yes, can somebody please, Connie, can you get rid of them?
I sure can.
Why do they like me so much? This is Utah.
What?
Whoa.
Oh, hey. Oh, I'm up above North Dakota now. What's going on there? It's Delaware. Just gonna sit right here. We're not gonna do an explosion, are we? I don't know. We'll see. Hey, Arkansas, you want to do an explosion? I sure will. Look at that. I'm covering up Utah.
Yeah, that's okay. I needed a face covering anyways.
Aloha! How's everybody doing? I haven't seen everybody for a long time. Oh, yeah, Hawaii. How are ya? How are ya, Hawaii?
Yo, it's me, Idaho. I want to get in this explosion.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry, everybody. That left. Let's see, this is New Mexico. I want them to do an explosion. Oh, yeah, uh-oh. Idaho, don't let me go.
It's Montana.
So, you ready?
Uh-oh.
Oh, see, look at it's me, Hawaii, and Utah, and Arkansas, and Colorado. Oh, hey, Colorado.
Hey, dude.
Let's go on the slopes. This Louisiana. Where'd everybody go? I thought I saw Minnesota, Oregon. Oh, see, they were here. They're gone now. Hey, me South Dakota. How you doing?
It's me, Wyoming. Let's see if I can click on you. Uh-oh.
Oh, hold on. Can we get an explosion? Ah! I pity the fool who doesn't want to do explosion with me. Duh. Oh! South Carolina, I do an explosion. That's right. That's right. I know you will. Hey, Vermont. I'll get in there. I'll eat you up, Vermont. Look at that. Dude. It's my good buddy Alaska. Dude, we haven't been together forever. I know. Let's see if we can get an explosion. See if we can launch Louisiana. This Louisiana, I don't like that idea. Gonna spill my gumbo.
Yo, in New York, you're gonna do an explosion without me? What are you, crazy? You think you can do this without me?
Hey, if you're here now, we can get in on it. We're good to go. Just need some more stakes. Somebody to explode.
Oh, the perfect one to explode.
This is Wisconsin. I got some tornadoes coming. Yeah, I saw that. We don't get tornadoes in Alaska. We do get earthquakes, though. This Missouri. Here we go. Everybody ready for an explosion? Look at that. Who's that that's just so scared? Is that New York?
Yeah.
Yo, don't tell me I'm scared. I'm not scared of nothing.
Hey, Rhode Island. Hey, why you bouncing so much, New York? You must be scared.
Yo, no. I'm just cold because of you, Alaska. Brr.
Hey, Indiana.
Oh, it'd be awesome if a bird landed in the explosion.
Hey, I pity the bird that lands on me. Hey, I'm back. Uh-oh. This can't be good for Louisiana. Hey, y'all, I'm trying to eat my gumbo. Y'all spilling it when I'm messing with these explosions.
Look at very much. Oh, I'm just gonna get out of here. Uh-oh, Wisconsin, don't take me with you. What is going on, man? What's going on?
Yeah! Let's get this explosion started. Louisiana, you are going to fly. Yeah! You ready? Dude, I'm the only one left. That was awesome. Oh, I love it, dude. Guys, did you see that? It was one of the best explosions ever. Dude, righteous. Thanks, everybody, for watching. And don't forget to tell your friends and family to subscribe to Minnesota and Oregon. Keep those numbers are ticking up. Thanks, dudes. Rock on.